Hey Jessica, your visitor's name Rowdyruff boys Butch wants to see you. He is not happy for you what you did.
Jessica. Are you freaking sick psychopath or what the freak are you evil witch? Why in God's name would you ever do such an evil crime by burning down the neighbor's house and injuring people in there? And not only that, you have caused property destruction that you have to charge and pay for it, but you're also a murderer for murdering the father of the daughter. Like what the freaking wrong with you? Don't you know that the father always take care of the whole family? And now you have taken away the father life and made the mother and daughter very heartbroken because of your disgusting evil action that you have caused. Now you betrayed because of what you did to the poor father and to the other victims, and now you got arrested, stuck bars in prison for the rest of your life, and now, you made Spider-Man fan 2004 very mad furious, thanks to you. That's it, I am going to turn you became Wicked Witch of West.
No 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 no, now I am became Wicked Witch of the West, I am don't want scary water, I am very sorry why I became murder, psychopath, and burning the house, please, I am sorry.
No, I will not say sorry to you for what you have done, and also, did you get scary water? Well, I got bucket water. Now goodbye forever, you evil witch, and evil psycho, take this.
You cursed Butch, look what you have done.
I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world! Who would have thought a good little girl like you could destroy my beautiful wickedness? Ah, look out! Look out! I'm going!
Yes, she is dead, she is now melting, she deserve it for became and murder and burning house, and never return, she is now dead.